All right, guys, I just want to make sure we're all close enough you can hear me. So, what's everybody's biggest fear when on a body of water like this?
Drowning.
Drowning, piranhas, we hear
Stetson.
that every day. Water for anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. And that's your opportunity to grab those orange or that red rope on the outside of the boat. Hang on for dear life. Sweet, we are ready to rock and roll. So I heard you guys have 22?
Yep.
Sweet. So if we can get a group of 11 and a group of 11 on this team, what we call fun zone.
You guys up there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have this guy on the right.
You do?
And
This is the first one. Go ahead.
In the middle.
Well, here's the safest zone. You can be in the back, I guess, or in the middle. So it'll be in the front row. We're gonna have 3 people up there. We'll have 2 people paddling and 1 person in the middle of that row. You can go ahead and hop up there. Who else is in the fun zone today? Guys, you're going river rafting and have fun, right? Who else is up in the front? We need 2 more people. And then 1 in between. Are you going in between? Okay. We need 1 person in the middle of the front row as well. That works for me. Alright. But before we get too many people in, I'm not that tough.
You're going to fall out there. A little bit before we get everybody else in. There might be times I let you be up there, but that's going to be in slow spots. We hit waves up there, that's a big no-no spot. So real quick.
Alright. So, let's see. Are you in the middle of the second row?
We're going to be in the second seat.
So, if you want to move up 1 row,
No, if I can help you out.
then who's in the middle of the front row?
What?
You?
Oh, no.
Perfect, that works for me. Go ahead and hop up there.
As far as the mud, you're not going to be in the back seat.
Last year, were you on my boat last year?
Be in my third seat. Whoever wants to be in the middle, again.
What would be a good time to do?
What if you
Oh, that didn't feel good. I heard 40 of them. Okay. So before you guys hop on this 4th row, I'm going to start handing some of these paddles up so you guys don't chop your toes off. You still don't have a 3rd one in the front row. Do you want to sit in the middle in the front row? You don't know? What do you mean you don't know? Okay, there we go. So if you want to move up to this row,
Does that mean I get to take the paddle? Or?
yeah. And then I'll have.
That's heavy.
I've only got 10. That's okay though. Are you paddling? Okay, here you are. And then what we'll do is we'll put. It's up to you guys. We'll have 1 more in the 3rd row and then 2 in the 4th row. Over there now.
Like the only time you really want a middle seat.
Yeah.
I know if I was in their shoes, I'd be like, yeah, put me up front.
Up front is a middle, low responsibility.
Seriously.
Basically take a nap on the river.
Yeah. All right, guys. Does everybody have a paddle? I think we're ready to rock.
Okay, you're good to go. I'll probably catch up. I'm very front.
Everybody smile. Cool. So now I know whose parents to call if you guys go missing.
Hey. So we know what you look like for search and rescue.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you guys take a look on the logos on your guys' life jacket, as well as the logo, it says NRS. NRS in
Yeah, if you
yellow.
need to kick him out of the boat, just.
So what that
Yeah,
actually
I'll just
does
say I
is,
got all 10. We're good.
Yeah.
What's the plus minus? How many?
Don't worry, I got white out for the lift.
Oh, right on. Yeah, that works out great.
Screaming already. They haven't
yeah.
down the river.
All right.
Hey, did that boat have a flag?
So, my gal in the very back, you're going to want to keep your paddle out of the water. If you're holding it like that, excuse me, yeah, Marie. You want to hold your paddle in the back. If you're holding it like that, you're going to catch a wave and rip you out of the boat. I lost it. Yeah, but you want to set it in your lap. Oh, great. Perfect. You're like, oh, I forgot my paddle. Why are you pumping it up earlier? Why do you think I was pumping it? Alright guys, let's paddle! So you want to try to stay in sync with the person in front of you? Big push.